Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edxcel higher tier paper 1 from 2020, and this is question 2. So it's a question about mixed numbers, so it's fractions and whole numbers mixed together. And what we've got to do is we've got to show that 2 1/3 times by 3 3/4 is equal to 8 3/4. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to convert these into top-heavy fractions first of all. So what we can do, we can take the 2 1/3 and we can actually say, well, 3 times 2 gives us, so we times them together, 3 times 2 is 6, and then plus the 1, so we multiply the denominator with the whole number at the front there, so that's the times, then we add it to the top of the fraction, so 6 plus 1 is 7, so that becomes 7/3. So we've done that to get the top number of the fraction of the 2 1/3 there, so that equals 7/3. If we take the 3 3/4, we can do exactly the same process. So what we can do is we can go 4 times 3 times that one equals, or will give us 12, and then plus the 3 on the top. So I think of like a circular sort of thing there. So plus the 3 on the top gives us 15. So that means that our fraction then is actually 15/4. Now we've got our two fractions. We've got the 2 1/3 and times the 3 3/4. So we've got 7/3 times 15/4. We can multiply them together and we can see, well, will that give us 8 3/4? So I'm just going to do any simplification I can at this stage rather than just having to deal with really large numbers. So I can see that the 3 and the 15 will simplify because 3 goes into 3 and also into 15. So 3 obviously goes into itself once and into 15 5 times. So now I've got this simplified version. I can go 7 times 5 is 35/4. Now what I'm going to do, so this is as a top-heavy fraction now. I need to convert it back into a mixed number and fraction and see if it does equal 8 3/4. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to divide the 35 by 4, and that will give me the whole number part of the mixed number there. So if I do that, 4's into 35, 4 doesn't go into 3, but 4 will go into 35 8 times with a remainder of 3. And the 8 is the whole number, so that does equal 8. And then the 3 becomes the top of the fraction, so 3. And then the bottom of the fraction is the 4. So it's 8 3/4. So in fact we have shown that these two mixed numbers here do equal, when multiplied together, do equal the 8 3/4. So we've done it. That's correct. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, please give our video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel to see more of our videos. Thanks for watching.